Adventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Adventures Learning. I'm Corban and that's Mommy.
Hi.
Terry.
Hi, Terry. And what are we making today?
A paper helicopter.
Paper helicopter, so
Stay tuned.
stay tuned. So what do we need for the paper helicopter?
Some paper.
Okay, paper,
Some scissors.
scissors,
Ruler.
alright, ruler,
Paper clip.
paper clip,
And a pencil.
and a pencil. So let's get
started.
Okay, so the first step is that you have your paper here vertically, and Corban cut it in half like this. So that's your first step. Go to the next one. All right, the second step is we have 1/2 of the paper here, and then we cut that in half. All right, and then we'll go to the next step. Okay, so the next step is, remember we cut this in half, so we're gonna take one of these sheets away, and we're gonna take this piece of paper and we're gonna cut this in half. Okay, and we'll go to the next step.
Next step.
Okay, so the next step is I drew some lines here down the middle. So here is the middle of the paper here. So I drew the lines here. I don't know if you can see that. And then I also have some lines here, these two lines here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this line there, and we'll go to the next step. All right, so you can see here that I cut this, and then I also cut along these two lines here. And I'll show you the next step after that. Okay, so the next step is you're gonna fold this in here, and then you're gonna fold this in here. So I'm gonna show you that. So you're gonna fold this in the middle, and then you're gonna take this side and fold it. So it should just be like one rectangle here, like that. And we'll go to the next step. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna fold this up about 1/2 inch. So I'll show you here. All right, and then after you do that, you're gonna take your paper clip and clip it there. Okay, so I'm putting my paper clip here.
No, I'm gonna catch up.
Just like that.
I'm making one too.
Yep, Corban's making one. Just like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna fold these two flaps here. So I'm gonna fold this like that to the front, and then I'm gonna fold this one back. And then you're gonna lift them up, and they should look like that. So this is how your helicopter should look. And now we are going to test it out.